Racing just is started. We have Witness in Manila. Break weekly at the start. Jamo Pamilya, Delgado, Classical Bid. Then comes Dragon King moving up. Best Asset, Daredevil in the middle. Pretty Bull, Milady's Magic Company. Then comes DC Bit, Winning Hand, Cham. While entry number 4, Summit Dancer, race the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And at a part turn, we have Witness in Manila by about 3 lengths. Classical Bid in second. Delgado is racing in third. Moving up now on the outside is Kampay, Best Asset, Daredevil, Jamo Pamilya, Pretty Bull, Dissipate, Dragon King, Winning Hand as they swing for home. We have entry number 8, Witness in Manila by about 2 lengths. Classical Bid in second. Delgado moving up. Kampay on the outside. Last 75 meters. Witness in Manila followed by Kampay. And finally, it's going to be Witness in Manila. Kampay, close, Dissipate, Classical Bid. Then comes number 1, Jamo Pamilya, and Best.
May photo tayo for third. Most likely, no?